Hello and welcome. There's a very simple way to solve this radical equation for real values of x. And the first thing we are going to do is to factorize this quadratic expression under the square root sign. Now we have 15 plus 2x minus x squared. Since the coefficient of x squared is not 1, to factorize this, let us use the table method. What are the factors of 15? Of course, we have 3 times 5. What are the factors of minus x squared? We have x times minus x. Now, 3 times minus x is going to give us minus 3x, while 5 times x is going to give us 5x. And of course, 5x minus 3x is going to give us plus 2x. So that means that when we factorize this, we have 3 plus x, which is the same as x plus 3, times 5 minus x. And of course, you know that we can break the square root into 2. So we have the square root of x plus 3 times the square root of 5 minus x. Now, since we have the square root of x plus 3 on both sides of the equation, and also the square root of 5 minus x on both sides of the equation, let us do a substitution. Let a be equal to the square root of x plus 3. Of course, you know that if we square both sides of this equation, we have that a squared is equal to x plus 3. Also, let b be equal to the square root of 5 minus x. Once more, if we square both sides of this equation, we have that b squared is equal to 5 minus x. Of course, you know that both a and b must be greater than or equal to 0. Now, let us add these two equations. On the left-hand side, we have a squared plus b squared, and on the right hand side we have x plus 3 plus 5 minus x. Of course, x minus x is going to give us 0, and 3 plus 5 is going to give us 8. So we have that a squared plus b squared is equal to 8. Now, going back to the original equation, we have that a plus b is equal to 2 times a times b, that is 2ab minus 4. Now we have two simultaneous equations in a and b. To find the values of a and b, let us subtract the second equation from the first equation. On the left hand side, we have a squared plus b squared minus a plus b. And on the right hand side, we have 8 minus 2ab minus 4. Now, we have a squared plus b squared minus a plus b. And this is equal to 8 minus 2ab. Minus minus is plus 4. Now, let us move this term over to the left-hand side. When we do that, we have a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. Then we have minus a plus b, and this is equal to 8 plus 4, which of course is equal to 12. Now, look at this. You know that we can write this as a plus b squared. Then we have minus a plus b, and this is equal to 12. Now we can simplify this equation with a substitution. Let a plus b be equal to the letter d. When we do that, this equation becomes d squared minus d is equal to 12. Rearranging this equation, we have d squared minus d minus 12 is equal to 0. Now we can solve this quadratic equation by factorization. Since the coefficient of d squared is 1, all we need to do is to find the factors of minus 12 that add up to minus 1. And of course, those are going to be minus 4 and 3, because minus 4 times 3 is going to give us minus 12, while minus 4 plus 3 is going to give us minus 1. So when we factorize the left-hand side, we have d minus 4 multiplied by d plus 3, and of course this is equal to 0. And you know that from here we have that either d minus 4 is equal to 0 or d plus 3 is equal to 0. From here we have that d is equal to 4, and from here we have that d is equal to minus 3. But now remember that a is root x plus 3, which must be positive, and b is root 5 minus x, which must also be positive. So that means that a plus b must be positive. Hence, this answer is unacceptable. And now we have that a plus b is equal to 4. Now we go back to this equation. A plus b is now 4, and that is equal to 2ab minus 4. Now let us move this over to the left-hand side. When we do that, we have 4 plus 4 is equal to 2ab. 8 is equal to 2ab. Dividing both sides of this equation by 2, we have that 8 over 2, which is equal to 4, is equal to a times b. And of course, you know that a times b is the square root of 15 plus 2x minus x squared. So this is equal to 4. Now to solve this equation, let us start by squaring both sides. Of course, the square is going to take care of the square root, and on the left-hand side we have 15 plus 2x minus x squared, and on the right-hand side we have 4 squared, which is 16. Now rearranging this quadratic equation, we have 15 minus 16 plus 2x minus x squared is equal to 0. 15 minus 16 is minus 1 plus 2x minus x squared. This is equal to 0. We can solve this quadratic equation by factorization. Once more, you can see that the coefficient of x squared is not 1. So to factorize, we use the table method. What are the factors of minus 1? We have minus 1 and 1. What are the factors of minus x squared? We have x and minus x. Now, minus 1 times minus x is going to give us x. 1 times x is going to give us x. And of course, x plus x is going to give us 2x. So, when we factorize the left-hand side, we have x minus 1 times 1 minus x. And of course, this is equal to 0. Now, you know that from here we have that either x minus 1 is equal to 0 or 1 minus x is equal to 0. From here we have that x is equal to 1. And from here we have that 1 is equal to x. So in both cases, x is equal to 1. So that tells us that the only real value of x that satisfies this radical equation is x equal to 1. And finally, let us substitute 1 for x into the original equation to see what happens. Now here we have the square root of 1 plus 3, which is 4, plus the square root of 5 minus 1, which is also 4. And is this equal to 2 times the square root of 15 plus 2 minus 1 minus 4? 15 plus 2 is 17. 17 minus 1 is 16. So this is the square root of 16 minus 4. The square root of 16 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. So on the right hand side, we have 4. The square root of 4 is 2. And of course, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So when x is equal to 1, the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. And with that, we come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoy such content, please subscribe to the channel. Leave us a thumbs up to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and you can see more videos here.